did a video this morning. Trust me, that video was amazing. That Jamaican porridge. Alright. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start off the show right now. So right here, I got a medium-sized frying pan on the stove. I'm gonna show you how to cook some prawn in the frying pan. Alright. 100%. You guys gonna love this one. Alright? Yeah. You guys gonna love this. So what you wanna do? Medium-sized frying pan on the stove. Get yourself a white red onion. Finally dice it up. Just like this, put that in the frying pan. I'm not hot as yet, but it will get hot. Don't worry yourself. Alright, it will get hot. See that? Look at that. Nice one. Alright, now we got some leeks. This is leeks. If you don't know what is leeks, you can get leeks to buy in the supermarket or in the shop. Alright. Nice one. So I'm just gonna do a simple fry off this and make you guys can see exactly what I'll go on in the kitchen. Alright, we have some garlic. As I always say, if you want to get my garlic press, go over to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and get that garlic press. Alright. Yeah. Alright, that's a nice one. So you can see we got the leek, red onion, and garlic so far. We got the red, green, and gold pepper, which I'm going to be using. So what we're going to do now is get off a piece of the red, green, and gold pepper. Alright, and we're going to cut it up very small. Yeah, alright. Alright, see? That's the yellow pepper. We're gonna get some red pepper. Nice to have a little bit of red pepper inside of it. That's looking good. Alright, and a little bit of garlic powder. Alright, you know Chef Ricardo like to make him thing look kind of look different. Also some paprika. Alright. Mixed herb. Organic. Nice one. Yeah, that looking good. Little bit of fish season. Maybe a salt, sea salt. Some black pepper. Yeah, trust me. This is lovely. Alright, big up all of the people that want to watch and I take the time and I support Chef Ricardo. So that look nice. Colorful up and thing. Alright. We got the salt-free fish season. This is from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice. Gonna put a little bit in it. Really nice. Look at that. Colorful. And the texture and everything is just amazing. Yeah, I cook this and I put one of this tonight. Alright. But I put a tomato. You have to put a tomato in it. Make it just sweat up and nice. Look at that. Trust me, guys. This is like the real authentic Jamaican style of cooking. Really, really authentic style of cooking that. Alright, as you can see it for yourself. Alright, that is such a lovely one. Trust me. Alright, now as you can see it for yourself, it's just a simple little cooking that going on right now with Chef Ricardo in our kitchen. Alright, remember the YouTube channel, guys. And I have a brand new book come out very, very soon. So please remember to follow me on my IG to get updates on the book. So far, we got 200 people so far are interested in the book. So guys, you must know exactly what I'm talking about. 200 people are interested in getting that cookbook. So guys, keep your eyes open, and this book is going to be one of those kind of book where you want to make at home. Alright, so what we're going to do, alright, I'm just going to simply give you a little bit of, just a little bit of a tweak on this, on an amazing stir fry prawn today. Alright, so what you want to do, alright, let's get a little bit of sweet chili sauce and put it in the pot like this. Trust me, you guys gonna love this recipe. Little bit of soya sauce, you don't want to put too much. The only reason why I can do this, guys, because give that a stir, and then I just want to simple, just give that a lovely mix in it. The only reason why, guys, to be honest with you, the prawn, the only reason why the prawn is a pre-cooked ready prawn I brought in the supermarket. So please bear with Chef Ricardo. Alright, and about to cost me. And that's a Chef Ricardo, as a big chef, yeah, buy a prawn and cook already. Yeah, because my staff them will work 9 to 5. The staff them will work 9 to 5. We have to look after them. Alright, look at that. So these are just pre-ready prawns. So what you want to do, you just throw them in the pot like this. You don't want to overcook them. Got them already prepped and ready. And wash off into lemon juice. Alright? You don't want to overcook them. To be honest with you guys. 100%. So the brother says, Chef Ricardo say, yes, you need to do this, you need to do that. No. Little bit of black pepper on them. But that's a show you what you can do at home and some little unique style. Alright? And then little bit of paprika. Alright. Nobody stress yourself and say, boy, Chef Ricardo said if you do this, Chef Ricardo said to do that. No, man. Little bit of cayenne pepper to bring in a little bit of spice to it. We don't want it too spicy, because you have to enjoy the food. Alright, now, what you want to do, just mix this into it. And I'm going to turn off the cooker. Alright, yeah. So the cooker is off. And look at that. Oh my God. This is like an angel in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo today. Alright, so guys, as you can see it for yourself, you do not want to overcook the prawn, you don't want to do nothing with the prawn, you just want to just do this. As you can see it for yourself. Alright, that is beautiful and lovely. So what you want to do, just get a little bit more of the soy sauce and color it up, you know. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's it, guys can enjoy this one. Alright. So the cooker is off and you don't want to overcook the prawn them. This is our angel food. That is lovely. Now, to be honest with you, we don't need to go any further with that. That has cooked and done and ready and dusted. The prawn them, you just want to stir fry the pan and you're good to go. Let's taste this and see where we are. Alright, look at this. This is amazing. A little bit more. Not much. Yeah, just a tiny little bit. Yeah. This is lovely. Trust me. This is heaven in the mouth. Alright? Heaven in the mouth. Now, let's try this now. I'll see where we are. Perfect. Wow. That is amazing. That is fantastic, lovely, and also delicious. Alright? Now, guys, that's it right there so far. Alright? And to be honest with you, I think this is just like